Alright, so today we're going to use the dynamic solution. So I basically scanned that tire base as a prep. I'm going to show you a different technique just to do that crown as a normal anatomic crown, 2mm zirconia. So just select coping or anatomic, depends what you want to do. Even if you select an anatomic, you can actually reverse it into coping later on in expert mode. Usually you can select screw retain if you select that one with a scan body, but just scan it as a prep, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, no implant. So the implant is a noble bike here, rigger platform. So I've used the engaging dynamic tie base, covered it with a bit of scannable wax and just sprayed it a tiny bit, and you can scan it like that. So I'm using Exocad material. Alright, let's have a look. So now we're just going to pick up those files. So of course he didn't ask us the scan body because I just scanned it as a prep. So that's fine. Let's have a look now. Just before anything else, just before starting that job, I always clean the file and just make sure I don't have like a big file and messy. Just want to make it nice and clean. Alright, now first step, of course, you're gonna click on the edge just to select a nice margin. That's fine. Border, I've got my cement gap as well. It depends what parameter you like, depends on the machine you have. I like just painting a bit of no cement gap here, so it's going to be a bit tighter, especially for single units. When it's a bridge, that's fine, you're just going to cement it like that. But with my milling machine, the parameter, I just want to make it a tiny bit tighter without compromising the fitting, of course. Now just place a K9 roughly. Now we can see the compression, so got a bit too much of compression, so we can start reducing. I always decrease and have a look at my compression freeform so you can see what's going. Alright, now we can do the axis hole. So you're going to select attachment, subtract, and round bar at the end. Now you're going to have a round bar. So what you want to do now is you want to get exactly where you want to get your axis hole. Click view. Alright, you can move it a bit around. Modify the scale and the radius. Radius first. Okay, and the scale. So now you want to make it a bit bigger just to reach the minimum thickness. Don't even overextend it because it'll go through another wall or something, so you can damage your crown the other side. So just enough length on your axis hole just to go through the minimum thickness, and that's fine. Well, now we've got a minimum thickness here, so with my milling machine I have to mill that as a normal crown, and later on in the white stage I have to, with the little burr, with the bull nose, just drill through the minimum thickness. Let's make it reduce now. Alright, so you can even change the reconstruction type. So let's say we want to reduce that. Let's have a look. Okay, we can mark all and colorize what we don't want or what we want. And there we go, you've got your crown reduced. Now this is your axis hole there, it's done, but you've got a little minimum thickness there that you have to go through with the burr before sinterizing that crown. So now when you design this merge, you can actually, using this attachment, well, I didn't do it before because my machine doesn't allow me to have a nice fit if it's a screw and angle solution, but what you can do now is redesign your redesign your axis hole, and you have to click on allow any change. If you click on allow any change now, your hole is going to be through the crown, and you can mill that crown with the axis hole without touching anything. You can save that design, and all done.